In this example, I'm solving the simultaneous equations x plus 2y equals 8 and x minus y is equal to 2. So the first thing that I need to do is to create a table and an axis to plot the graph. So I start by rearranging the first equation to get it in terms of y. So moving the x over to the other side and dividing by 2, I get that y is equal to 4 minus a half x. And then I can substitute in different values for x to find the corresponding y coordinate. So choosing x equals to 0, I get that y is equal to 4 minus 0, so y is 4. Plotting this on the graph, I choose where x is equal to 0 and y is 4. Next I choose the value x equals to 2, and I substitute this into the formula. So y equals 4 minus a half times 2 gives me y equals 3. Again, plotting the point x equals 2, y equals to 3. So now I have 2 points on the graph. I can draw a straight line through them. And this is the graph for the first equation. Repeating this process for the second equation, I rearrange the second equation in terms of y. So if I bring the y over to the other side and the 2, I get that y is equal to x minus 2. I'm going to substitute in the same values for x that I did before. So when x equals to 0, y equals 0 minus 2, so y is minus 2. Plotting this point on the graph, and then x equals to 2, I get that y equals 2 minus 2, so y equals 0. And again, plotting this point onto the graph, I can draw another straight line through these 2 points, and this gives me the blue line, which is the second equation. Solving these equations simultaneously, I look for where the 2 lines cross. So drawing a horizontal line across will give me the y coordinate, and a vertical line down gives me the x coordinate. And this allows me to read off the solution. X is equal to 4, and y is equal to 2.